Good day, Sir Marco. We are the Group 4 and we're here to continue our presentation for our fishbone diagram. For the category of people, we have energy. Our action is to include rest periods to ensure the driver has frequent breaks to avoid fatigue. The responsible is the manager and the timeline is weekly. Schedule shifts properly to ensure the driver has enough sleep. Very important po ito lalo na sa mga driver na nag-deliver during nighttime from region to region para na din po ma-restore yung energy nila for the next day. The next one is training. Our action is to provide a specialized training on handling different types of packaging, like fragile items, heavy, and hazardous. The responsible is the manager and the timeline is once a month. Schedule ongoing training programs on safe driving techniques, route optimization, and emergency procedures. By providing a training programs po para po sa mga driver on how to handle different types of package, lalong-lalo po kung yung package na yan is babasagin, malaki, or mabigat. Para na rin po magkaroon sila ng experience and malalaman nila kung paano i-handle ang ganong types of situation. At para na din po ma-improve ang driving techniques po nila kung may dalang ganong package. The next one is experience. Our action is to assign less complex route while gradually increase route complexity for new drivers, allowing them to build experience without overwhelming them. The responsible is the manager and the timeline is weekly. Offer programs that focus on improving advanced driving skills such as navigating difficult terrain or traffic. Dito naman po is by assigning less complex routes naman po, lalo po sa mga driver na wala pong ganong experience. Dito po mag-build ang experience nila kung paano nila i-handle ang different situations, lalong-lalo na po sa mga bulubundukin, makikitig na daan at sa mga traffics. For the next one is concentration. Implement policies to limit phone usage or other distractions while driving. The responsible is the manager and timeline is weekly. Promote short frequent breaks to help drivers stay refreshed and maintain concentration during extended driving periods. Very important din po ito, lalong-lalo sa mga driver para po maiwasan ang mga accidents dahil po sa distracted po sila while driving.
Next is size. Action plan. Redesign packaging to better fit the product and minimize unused space. Ginagawa po ito para maliit lang po yung masakop na space ng mga kunyari po is bubble wrap, ganun po. Ang responsible po dito is product manager, timeline is monthly, and notes po is conduct trials with new packaging design to ensure they meet the requirements. Since meron pong mga product na nagbabago po ang mismong box, syempre kailangan nyo pong i-adjust yung dimension po nung packaging nyo para malaman nyo po kung gaano po kaliit o kalaki yung makukuha nito na size. Next is weight. Action plan. Choose lighter yet durable materials for packaging. Dito naman po papasok yung mga ginagamit na pang packaging katulad po ng mga bubble wrap, foam peanut, tapos mga kung ano pong paningit para hindi po maalog yung mga item. Responsible po dito is product manager, timeline monthly. Notes is ensure new materials maintain product safety and integrity while reducing weight. Dito naman po papasok yung mga quality ng mga gagamitin nyo na material since magkakantak po ito sa weight. Next is poor packaging. Action plan. Develop or upgrade packaging to enhance protection for better cushioning such as reinforced boxes. Dito naman po papasok yung mga kakaibang mga method para po hindi po maalog yung item katulad po pag fragile, baka po mabasag, ganun po. Responsible po dito is product manager, timeline is monthly, notes is implement proper testing to ensure the new packaging can withstand various shipping conditions. Dito po pwede nyo po i-testing kung maalog man po yung box na paglalagyan po ng product ay hindi naman po maapektuhan yung product or kung ano man naman po mangyayari. For the next category, package, cost, fragility. Ang action plan po dun is upgrade packaging to provide extra protection like bubble wrap and foam inserts. Dito po dinadagdagan po ng extra protection para po in case na maalog man ito ay hindi po ito madadamage. Ang responsible po dito is yung product manager since sila po yung magpapadala ng product. Ang timeline po is monthly since depende po ito kung mag-restock po kayo ng mga kailangan nyo. Tapos ang notes po is run test to ensure the packaging can withstand handling and transit. So dito po sa notes is itas run po yung gagawin para malaman po kung magkaka-damage po yung item. Next is shortage of stock, action plan. Enhance demand forecasting to better align stocks with sales trends. Dito naman po is if alam niyo po na magbo-boom po yung item niyo or nagsusunod po yung mga buyers, dapat po marano po kayong advance order kung sa mga raw materials or sa kung anong kailangan nyo para po hindi po out of stock po yung item nyo tapos diretso po yung sales nyo. Responsible po dito is product manager pa din since sila naman po yung nag-aasikaso sa mga item. Ang timeline po nito is monthly since depende din po sa month kung magbo-boom po yung item nyo. Tapos ang notes po is regularly review inventory and packaging efficiency to prevent future shortage. Dito naman po is kailangan nyo po laging bantayan yung inventory nyo since if hindi nyo po ito bantayan ng ayos, may possibility po na ma-shortage pa din kayo since bigla po baka magsugudan ang order, baka meron po bigla magsampuan ng order or bulk orders.
So for mismanagement, first cause po ng delay is yung inefficient workflows. Yung action po namin is provide training on a new process. Responsible is HR department and as much as needed po siya. Ang notes po namin is develop training session for employees. Then for next, inaccurate delivery time estimate. Communicate estimated time, delivery times clearly. Ang responsible po din siyang customer service and weekly po siya ang suggestion yung notes po is ensure that estimate delivery times provided to customers are based on the most accurate available. For last is unclear communication with suppliers. Yung action plan namin is schedule regularly review meetings with suppliers. Ang supply chain manager po yung responsible din yung timeline niya po is weekly din. And then notes po namin that set up a weekly meetings for updates about the supply and to address the issues.
Then we move on to the surroundings. The cause is weather, rain, sun, and wind gust. The action plan for that is to train drivers on weather-related safety. Ang gagawin po namin doon ay mag-conduct po kami ng training para po matuto po sila kung ano pong pwede nila gawin sa mga weather conditions such as rain. Example, biglang bumagyo po, dapat prepared po sila. Dapat may ready na po sila, which we will provide as well na mga raincoats, umbrellas, and parang plastic cover para po sa package para hindi po sila mabasa. And for the sun and wind gust, yung sa sun po, magpo-provide po kami ng mini fan or fan po para hindi po sila ganun mainitan. Ang responsible po dito ay ang HR department. Ang timeline po ay monthly. Monthly will provide a new and very durable na raincoats and stuff para po sa pag-prevent po ng weather. Then, on to the next cause, which is road closure. Our action plan for that is to use apps for other routes. Ang gagawin po namin dun, magpo-provide po kami ng apps katulad po ng Waze or Google Maps or what para po makapaghanap po sila ng other directions papunta dun sa destination nila kasi we never know kung yung daan po nila ay bigla may banggaan po, or kaya may like precision. Doon po sa apps na yun, makakahanap po sila ng other ways kung paano po makaiwas dun po sa traffic to prevent any delayed deliveries. Ang responsible po doon ay yung driver kasi siya po may hawak nung app na yon, ng cellphone po nila na gagamitin po nila yung app. Then, the timeline is as needed. So, pag kailangan po nila yun, pwede po nila i-check dun sa app na yun kung saan po sila pwede pumunta.
Cause traffic jam. Action plan is use a real-time traffic app for traffic conditions. Responsible driver. Timeline as needed. Cause remote area. Action plan is establish local partnerships. Responsible business manager. Timeline quarterly. Cause unmetalled road. Prepare for unmetalled road travel. Responsible driver. Timeline everyday.
Action plan for vehicle. Flat tire. Action plan. Ensure tires are properly inflated. Responsible driver. Timeline everyday. Notes. Check for visible damage. Cause. Vehicle breakdowns. Look for any warning lights, error message, or call roadside assistance. Responsible driver. Timeline everyday. Check everyday warning lights in the dashboard before to deliver. Vehicle performance. Perform a more in-depth battery inspection and replace if necessary. Responsible driver. Timeline yearly. Notes, change the battery yearly. Yay.
Thank you so much, Sir Marco, for taking the time to listen to our action plan.